Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Income Goal Calculator and how you can plan monthly dividend income goals of $500, $1,000, and $5,000 step by step. First, to plan dividend income properly, you need to decide how much monthly passive income you want from your investment portfolio. For example, if your goal is $500 per month, that becomes $6,000 per year. Similarly, if your goal is $1,000 per month, that becomes $12,000 per year. On the other hand, if your goal is $5,000 per month, you will need $60,000 per year in dividend income. Next, you need to choose an estimated dividend yield. A 3% dividend yield is usually more conservative, whereas a 4% yield may be considered balanced. A 5% yield can provide higher income, whereas a 6% yield may look attractive but can also come with higher risk. Therefore, it is important to remember that dividend yield means the annual dividend income compared to the amount of money invested. Then, you can use a simple formula to calculate the required portfolio size. The formula is required portfolio equals annual income goal divided by dividend yield. For example, if you want $12,000 per year and you estimate a 4% yield, then $12,000 divided by 0.04 equals $300,000. This means you may need around $300,000 invested to target $1,000 per month at a 4% dividend yield. After that, let's compare different goals using the calculator table. To earn $500 per month, you may need about $200,000 at a 3% yield, $150,000 at a 4% yield, $120,000 at a 5% yield, or $100,000 at a 6% yield. Similarly, to earn $1,000 per month, you may need about $400,000 at a 3% yield, $300,000 at a 4% yield, $240,000 at a 5% yield, or $200,000 at a 6% yield. On the other hand, to earn $5,000 per month, you may need about $2 million at a 3% yield, $1,500,000 at a 4% yield, $1,200,000 at a 5% yield, or $1 million at a 6% yield. However, higher yield is not always better. A higher dividend yield reduces the required portfolio amount, but it can also increase the risk. That is why investors should not only look at dividend yield, but also consider dividend safety, company quality, payout ratio, and long-term dividend growth. Moreover, there are several ways to reach the dividend income goal faster. You can reinvest dividends, add money regularly, focus on dividend growth stocks, diversify across different sectors, and reduce fees and taxes where possible. Over time, these habits can help your portfolio grow more efficiently. Finally, remember that dividend yields can change over time. Very high yields may be unsustainable, and dividend cuts can reduce your expected income. So, this calculator should be used as a planning estimate, not as a guaranteed result. In simple words, your required portfolio size depends mainly on two things: your monthly income goal and the dividend yield you can realistically earn. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.